pretty gang? It's your favorite nail tech Peaches back with another muffin video. Now we're gonna hop straight in. I know you want to know how to cut your application of acrylic toes in half, and girl, I'm finna tell you right now. What you need to do is understand how your ratio of liquid to powder works, and also we need to be using bigger beads, and also we need to be working on more than one toenail at a time. Now with the big toe, obviously we have to give our full attention to that, because if we try to work on other toenails at the same time, the nail sizes don't match, so you'll have one nail drying too quickly before you can finish it. But this is for people who don't need reconstructions. I'm gonna throw that out there because reconstructions take a little bit more work, but this is gonna take a little bit more expertise regardless. This is not for y'all who are beginners. I'm so sorry to tell you, but you need to have an excellent bead work. Okay, so the big toe, to cut application in half, we're going to do the whole thing one bead. Now for the little toes, we're going to work with 2 toes at a time. Now what is the difficulty here is if you're not very strong in getting your liquid to powder ratio the correct way, your beads are going to run all over the place. You're not going to have any structure at all in your acrylic toes. So you guys can kind of see how the beads are definitely less wet, but they are wet enough that I can touch them, but they are solid enough that they're not going to go nowhere. Okay, this is going to take a little bit of a skill level, so that way you can get accustomed to doing this. But if you feel like you got a hang of acrylic toes and you're like, dang, it takes forever, I get done with each toenail quickly, it just takes forever to dry, do 2 by 2 like this, because then you can move on to the other foot, and when you come back it'll be completely dry. I promise you, this is the best kept secret, and I'm convinced that I'm like literally the only person who does this. I've never seen anyone else do acrylic toes like this. I've been doing it this way for years. I promise you, this gonna cut the application in half. Y'all can see this video is only a 3-minute video, so there's really not too much more I can say. You guys can literally just watch me go ahead and do this. But if you're able to get this method down, do the big toe by itself, preferably in like 1 to 3 beads. Okay, I know sometimes the big toe takes a little work, that's fine, but what's really going to do it is doing the other little toes 2 by 2. It's gonna test you. You're gonna feel like, dang, I'm not getting it right, and you might even have a little bit of trouble with retention if you're still not all the way 100% with your bead work. But I promise you, if you can get it right, girl, look, you're gonna be able to do application on 1 foot in literally under 10 minutes. Okay, I know this was a quick video, but it's nothing more to say. I really hope you guys enjoy the long format. My hard drive is back in action. Girl, we got more videos to do, and as always, I hope to see you in the next motherfucking video. Leave me a comment below, and of course, do not forget to subscribe. I just know that you're going to love it here.